Just like every car and bike has regular service intervals, we also need to take care of our tires, whether it's a car or whether it's a motorcycle. There are a couple of points that you need to consider for optimum tire maintenance, and also some things you need to consider when you actually want to extract the highest potential from the tire. The first point is the obvious one. You need to check your air pressure before you take the car, before you take the bike at any given point. This is very important. The second point is you need to check the tread wear indicator and to check how much life you have. A good tool would be to have a depth gauge to actually check the depth of the tread wear. The third point is if you park your vehicle in the sun or outdoors, means that the tires will actually develop certain cracks in the sidewalls or even in the middle of the tire. You need to check for these cracks and immediately replace these tires because it's not safe for you to actually drive or ride in these tires. The fourth point is do not park your car in the slopes because there'll be load transferring towards one side of the car, which means that the tire is actually holding on to some load and you'll have an imbalance when you're driving. The fifth point is you need to align your car tires whenever you buy a new tire to actually have better steering inputs and avoid wobbling in high speeds. The final point is if you are replacing your tires, please check for the following: correct date of manufacturing, whether it has any damages, whether the company is giving you the right warranty. And we in Talk Block cover all of these things so you have a hassle-free ownership of your tire and get the best performance for your car or bike. If you need any sort of tires or accessories, please DM us and we'll be happy to guide you guys.